my June beauty empties are quite different from the usual project plan updates that I've been doing. For starters, they are not just products that I finished up in June. I have products here that I've used up, in May or April or even March. Secondly, everything in here is a PR sample. So the reason for that, I mean, I've saved every PR sample that I got, and I finished up for this month's empties, because the reason I did that was so that I wouldn't have to say this is a PR sample, I bought this. This is a PR sample. I bought this, while doing my empty. So everything in here sent for review. Honest thoughts, will I repurchase or not? Let's find out. So I think I'd finished up, let's call it 75 to go after May. So from 75, let's see how many I've managed to use up this month. Cleanser first, EMPTIES Gentle Cleanser for sensitive skin, came last year. I was on the EMPTIES Clear Skin program. Absolutely worked for me. Adore it. The only problem is that, when you're on steroids and the acne is due to steroids, you can do nothing but wait for the steroid wave to leave your bloodstream. I have my review of this cleanser and the Clear Skin program, as well as before and after results here, as well as in the description box below. Will I repurchase? I am going to be repurchasing the sunscreen from this once I get done with this, and once that is, over, I will be repurchasing this along with the sunscreen and everything else from the entire Clear Skin program. That said, I have been sort of saving everything from here for, when I actually have acne, because when your skin is clear, you don't need a Clear Skin program. So, you know that I was on the roids and I have steroidal acne. So because of that, I finished this one up, and I'm using a couple of other products from the range as well. So, I will buy it and keep it in stock for the next bout of acne. The next thing is a mask, actually, which I have been using as an exfoliant. Actually, this is from Pixi Peel and Polish. My review here. So this one is actually a 2-minute mask. What I've been doing, it's an enzyme mask. What I've been doing is I've been using it as an intense exfoliating treatment about 2 or 3 times a week. Now I'm no longer on retinol, so my skin could do with, some, pick me up. So this is a very, very mild, a gentle scrub. It's not very harsh on the skin. I don't, scrub away. I'm gentle with my hands as well. On my skin at least, that is. And, I really, really, really liked it. Will I repurchase? I want to go back on retinol. But, if I don't, then I will be needing this one. Otherwise, Pixi Glow Tonic is gentle enough for me. Right now, I'm using the Glow Tonic and the Glow Tonic Serum. So those two provide enough exfoliation. So I won't repurchase it right now. Next thing, a mist. Pixi Rose Glow Mist. Fully gone. My review here. So did I like it? Yes, very much. Very nice for, colder weather when your skin is flaking post-retinol. The only problem is if you're in an active acneic phase, particularly if you're having hormonal acne, steroids, you don't want to go near your skin with this one because it contains essential oils, rose oil. So, oil products right at that time, not a good idea. Otherwise, this was really, really, really nice. I actually finished it up before my skin exploded. So will I repurchase? I have bought the Pixi Hydrating Milky Mist with black oat, and it is oil-free, so it is better suited to my skin at the moment when I am still breaking out because of steroids. The next product is the Rose Ceramide Cream, which I'd finished up a few weeks ago. Very, 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 very nice last step occlusive for winter, for warmer weather, for colder weather, brain melt. And when your skin is, on retinol, if you're flaking, this is the moisturizer that I loved the most when I was retinoling. I am no longer retinoling. So I'll wait till the colder weather, see how my skin goes, and then decide whether I want to repurchase or not. Pixi Detox Eye Depuffing Eye Patches next. All gone. I absolutely love eye patches. What I do is I layer an eye serum and then an eye cream, and then I put the eye patches on, and I wake up and they're all, wrinkly and pruny, and my under eye areas are a lot more hydrated. Will I repurchase? I've got, about 2 or 3 jars from other brands. Let's see how those do. The next 2 products are from a brand called Allies of Skin, which I have reviewed on my blog. I'll link that in the description box below. This is the overnight mask, and this is the all-day mask. I've reviewed this on Cult Beauty's website. The following morning, the results are amazing, amazing, amazing. The overnight mask is an acid mask, obviously, peeling mask. The all day mask is actually a daytime moisturizer with, which doesn't need rinsing off. Neither of these needs rinsing off. I love everything from Allies of Skin. So will I repurchase? Instead of the overnight mask, I've got, hang on, get these out of the tubes. This is brand new and very difficult to get out of the tube. Right, you'll just have to take my word for it. There's a new one in there. This is the Overnight Bright Future Sleeping Facial. This is the Promise Keeper Blemish Facial. And these are the original products that I got for review. So I've been saving these, saving these, saving these, saving these. And finally over, I will obviously be repurchasing these for a long time to come. Allies of Skin makes amazing, amazing, amazing treatment masks. They're not masks, they're leave-on products, so you don't rinse them off or anything. But, they're one-step skincare products. You can use them with other products in your routine, but you don't want to end up over-exfoliating. So the Promise Keeper Blemish Facial is for problematic skin. I've been using it. I've already finished off so much of it because of this steroidal acne problem. I adore it to bits. It works a treat. It is also incidentally a preventive for that time of the month, although I haven't tried that one out. The Bright Future Overnight Facial is a more intense version of the overnight mask. So start here and then move on to the Bright Future Sleeping Facial. That would be my advice. Very, 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 very nice. One of the loveliest products I've seen in a long time. Molten Brown Pink Pepper Pod Body Wash came in a PR sample advent calendar from last year. Look fantastic. Will I repurchase? Pink Pepper Pod. Absolute favorite fragrance. Adore it. Morley Purifying Rituals Reawaken Himalayan Hand and Body Scrub came with the Beauty Expert Gold Edition, which was a PR sample. What made the scrub different is that after using it, I used it as a body scrub, not just as a hand scrub, is that I didn't need to moisturize. There was already a layer of hydration all over the body wherever I use the scrub, so I didn't need to hydrate separately. So will I repurchase this? Yes, definitely, because, on days when I'm lazy, when I don't want to, apply a separate moisturizer, all I have to do is use the scrub and I'm good to go. So next we have some sheet masks. These three are the Pixie Glow Glycolic Boost Sheet Masks, which I reviewed along with the Peel and Polish, which I showed you earlier in this video. Will I repurchase these? They were nice, but I will never buy sheet masks again unless they either come in packages of in boxes where you have 50 that you can take out like wipes, or if they come in pellet form and you can soak them in your favorite essence. Unless that happens with this sort of packaging, no, landfill can't repurpose this packaging. Bad idea. And then I have 4 sheet masks sent to me by Althea Korea from the brand A Bloom. I have the avocado mask, the lime mask, the watermelon mask, and the peach mask. The peach mask, obviously my favorite because it was anti-blemish. Watermelon, very hydrating. Avocado meant to be nourishing, and lemon meant to be brightening. I didn't notice much brightening there with that one, but my skin is in shite shape right now. Will I repurchase? Obviously not. These are sheet masks. So let's do a quick count. Counting all sheet masks as 2, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 products used in the month of June. Well, not quite June. 12 PR products. That leaves me with 63 products to be used up in 6 months' time. Will I get that? Stay tuned to find out. So those are my thoughts on some of the PR samples that I've received over the last year and a half. And, will I repurchase them? All answers to those questions. How I felt about them overall. Final thoughts, now that they're all emptied and fully finished. All there. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up and please do hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.